Real good Piranha plant.
Spike at your own peril.
Oh, finally! I've been gonna find this station all weekend.
Well, it's about goddamn time.
That's insane. We'll try the above ground first.
Yeah, you know you're getting fucked.
No! Oh my god, so fucked.
Oh my god. Fuck you, man.
Oh, let me out! This is not a dance!
I'm big!
I'm
Yo.
begging for help! I'm screaming for help!
Yo, lay the fuck off.
Dude, this is subliminal right now.
Dude, insanity right now.
Yeah. Insanity is the right word. Oh! Oh, sweet! Everyone get ready to see my cute puppy.
Yo, what the fuck?
Everyone loves puppies, right? Except for you. You once told me you hate puppies. Oh.
Where the fuck? Did I die?
Yes. Most times when you think you did, you probably didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Oh shit, I didn't see you coming. Oh. Oh, what?
Yo,
No
fuck yeah.
way. Oh.
I thought I had
Oh,
it.
I thought you did
You
too.
got me.
Just you. The hunt is on, boys.
Oh my god. So sick. Alright. You got me. Moving on.
Yeah, moving on. On the way.
Oh. Funny, man. Funny.
0. Oh, unicorn though. Wow.
Yeah, eat it, buddy.
Oh. Yo. Oh, I got 2 kills but killed myself, so that's not 2 if I want special.
2 for 1.
Oh, just out of the radius.
Oh shit, though.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna kill myself. Oh, this is another good place. What?
Oh, everyone
I'd eat
ate that?
those. Yeah.
Are you okay?
I have no idea. It's a 10, so I really hope so.
Oh.
Eat
Oh, go get him, Knuckles.
Oh, you got Knuckles the enchilada? Oh. That would have been cool if Knuckles was playable. Like a fast, a stronger
I stole that
Sonic.
kill.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Don't get too distracted by my kill steal, man.
Shoot, I got one too.
Yo, no,
I wish
you
we had-
fucking did it, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, no. No. Oh, the bombs too. Or you
Oh my god, I didn't see them. Get up! Oh, what?
That should have
How
blown
did
me
you
up.
not
Yeah.
get hit by any of them?
Ow.
Nice. I don't know who glowed because we ran into each other, but I saw one of us glow.
I didn't
Which is
see it
good
at all.
because I know it's not a computer.
Okay. That is always good news.
Oh, I thought you were gonna
Yeah,
throw me.
2 plus 2
2,
plus
that's
1.
awesome.
Yeah, that is. I love it. You know it's
Yeah.
the same second.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, you actually,
That's it.
that is it.
That's
but
it.
I was already on the ground. So.
Oh, I saw something I didn't like. Oh. No!
Oh shit, bros. Oh, fuck me. Fuck you.
Nobody? What?
Yeah.
Thought I at least got everybody.
At least got everybody. I love it. Yes.
What? Oh, Crystal.
Oh, your biggest furry
I
fantasy.
hit my biggest furry fantasy. That's funny because it's true.
Ooh, ooh.
Oh,
Dude, you're looking pretty spicy.
what?
Huh?
I don't know the meaning of the word spice.
Well, I'll teach you the meaning in a second.
Oh,
Oh, you
no.
bitch!
He's so good. It's like. Oh, definitely a good one.
Dude, it sounds insane. Oh my god. Dude!
Oh my god. Oh,
I think they vary too. I don't think there's just bad and just good. I
Oh
think
no,
there's
no,
like a
for
scale.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's because that's like the best.
Dude, another version of it, the best it's ever been. Oh my god!
Oh, gotcha. Just barely. Oh Jesus.
Oh, I remember.
No shot. Oh man. Yeah, I'm not fucking with you.
Am I controlling this?
Oh, you-
like sort of like
No,
aiming it?
you control yourself.
Oh,
Oh man.
dude,
9%. You're killing too.
nice. Oh, we gotta finish Into the Spider-Verse.
Oh, we'll watch
Yeah,
it.
at some point.
Definitely. It's an awesome movie.
Oh, fuck you.
Thank you.
You want a dot, man?
I'll dot you all day.
Oh!
Yeah, there it is!
Yo! Wait,
Dude.
did I?
You bounced
What?
down and died right
was
away.
amazing.
Right? That was awesome. See, there you go. I did it. I mastered my moves.
Oh, I want to spike. Oh, I don't need to.
He's an idiot.
Yeah, he'll kill himself.
Oh.
Good to go. You did do that, though. Where are you at?
Dead.
Where were you when I was turtle talking?
Yeah, where were you when I was turtle talking? Oh.
Ooh.
Ah.
Yeah, fuck you. I know you. I know the tricks of the trade.
Do you?
I've been studying them all my life.
Oh wow. I was risking life and death for nothing. Oh, fuck. Nice.
Is not you. Oh, alright. Alright, no, come near me, please.
Oh, I blew it. Oh.
Damn.
Oh. Blew it big time.
Alright, I'll get all the kills, dude.
I don't want you to. 30 seconds. Oh. There we go. There's one. Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you, donkey.
No.
Oh, did you free-ride?
No.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're next. Oh!
Ah!
Dude, I'm still
You
good somehow.
what?
Yeah, I was
Oh.
so dead.
Who do you think won that?
I saw you glow most recently.
Did you really? Oh, yes. I think it was
Wow.
close, though.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Let's see what we got.
Oh,
not too
not
close.
bad.